For the first time, jurors are learning about the mental state of a Massachusetts mother accused of killing her 3 children. This happened back in 2023. Prosecutors say Lindsay Clancy meticulously planned the murders, and her defense attorneys are not denying she killed them. However, they argue she's not criminally responsible because she was experiencing postpartum psychosis when this all took place. Fox's Kailey Schuyler joins us now live from Plymouth, Massachusetts with the latest on week 2 of testimony. Kailey, good morning to you.
Hi, good morning, Tom. So day 6 of testimony started just a few minutes ago, and we want to warn viewers some of this can be really tough to hear. So yesterday, arguments surrounded around Clancy's physical and mental health. She attempted suicide by jumping out of a second-story window of her home after she strangled her 3 children to death. And we heard from 2 psychiatrists who evaluated her in the hospital.
Who listed her thought process as organized, goal-directed. Is that correct?
Yes. We asked her, how are you feeling? Horrified. And then she wrote down, do I have an attorney?
Clancy is now paralyzed from her injuries, and we've heard several doctors testify about how they tried to save her children. Prosecutors say Clancy is criminally responsible for her children's deaths and argue she methodically planned the murders. They say she sent her ex-husband Patrick out for errands so she could carry out the killings. But Clancy's defense is pointing to journals investigators found at the crime scene. And yesterday in court, her defense attorney read some of the entries where Clancy said she felt guilty and disconnected from her children and her relationship.
I now have horrible insomnia and anxiety, which is causing depression. I have no appetite. I don't know what's wrong with me. I want help. I want to be well. You saw that in there, didn't you?
Yes.
This trial is expected to last several weeks, and if Clancy is found guilty, she faces life in prison without parole. But if she's found not guilty by reason of insanity, she'll be committed to a state mental health facility. Tom?
What a story. All right, thank you. That is Kailey Schuyler reporting live. Thank you, Kailey.